Wrap a notebook into a piece of felt. Hot glue the edges. Trace a big heart on pink felt. Use a marker to draw a grid for playing tic-tac-toe. Cut out the heart and hot glue it to the cover. Cut out little Velcro hearts of 2 different colors to make counters. Attach them to the felt. The game set's ready! Draw X's and O's on the hearts. Remove all the counters from the field and start playing. Take turns to go with X's and O's. The first round ends in a tie, and the player who's the first to attach the counter wins the second round. Our teacher appears to be a tic-tac-toe fan as well. A blackboard is her partner. It's strange that Miss Smith always manages to win. She's the tic-tac-toe queen. I've gotten bored sitting alone at the desk. Where's my funny friend? Oh, there's a strange girl that comes up to sit next to me. She's brought bookmarks. Oh, they are no bookmarks, but paper racers. Fold up 1/3 of color paper. Cut off the strip. Fold it in half lengthwise and crosswise. Bend it at a right angle in the middle again. You've got a triangle. Unfold the paper and fold it again across the creases, turning the 2 opposite pleats towards the middle. Snip off the top of the triangle. Draw a smiling face on it and put it in the middle between the pleats. Move the paper to make the smiley shift up. Well, forget chemical formulas. Let's start Formula 1 racing. There are 2 racers on the Math to Monaco track. My smiley is leading the race, but the rival keeps up. Phew! And the principal thing is that everyone who wants to compete can take part in the event. You don't have to buy a car or get a driver's license. It's the finish, and I won! Oh, my neighbor's got something else, and these are not grammar cheat sheets. It's paper dominoes. Take color paper and mark the same 1-inch by 3-inch strips. Draw a line in the middle of each. Cut them out. Make a few sets of the colored paper dominoes. Write a word on each block. Make sure the same words are written on the dominoes of each color. Put the same words together using the blocks of different colors. Lay out the dominoes and start playing. Put the same words together. Let the teachers calm down. This game is excellent vocabulary training. My friend has no more moves. There are no words left, only emotions. I won again! Have you got a little ball on hand? Let's arrange the Championships Wimbledon! Toss a ball to each other using a book or a notebook. Remember to keep score. Oh, my serve's gone to Miss Smith. Oops! The teacher's gotten frightened. She thinks she's being attacked by sports fans again. Sorry, Miss Smith, it's been an accident. The Young Astronaut Club is open. Members are required. DIY rockets are ready to use. Color printed out rockets using markers. You can find the templates in the description of this video. Cut them out. Snip little pieces out of wide drinking straws. Press and tape one end of the little piece to the rocket. Cut off the accordion parts of thin drinking straws and put them into wide straw pieces. Blow into the straw to launch the rocket into deep space. Well, it may not be that deep. Let's compete to find out whose spacecraft goes further. One lands on the next desk, and the other has bad luck and gets into Mrs. Smith's spaceport. And it's absolutely unacceptable, since the rocket could disappear like in a black hole. Let's go Skittles bowling! Lay out a line of Skittles. And try to hit all the candies using one. Miss Smith's the head of the strict Olympic committee. She allows no candies during competitions. So she takes all the Skittles. Someone does sports and someone gets sweets. Make sure that your students won't notice anything. I've got a little marble, and my friend's got an amazing DIY marble maze. Put a piece of paper on a cardboard notebook folder. Cut it out to fit the size. Prick the paper with a push pin to mark the maze paths. Tack push pins into the marks and pull rubber bands to build the maze. Toss the marble and play. Tilt the maze to make the marble move. We'll find the way out like we handle most difficult situations. Did you like our ideas for tabletop games? Write in your comments which game you choose to use to take a rest during classes. Be sure to subscribe, give your thumbs up, and click the bell. It rings when a new exciting video comes out on Troom Troom.